In this video, I want to look at the exterior pockets on my bag and how I utilize those. There are three of them. The first pocket is simply a pocket up top here that I use for miscellaneous stuff. What I traveled with on the airline was these carabiner, these clips. What I used these for was attaching them to the bag, and then when I wasn't on the airplane, I had a little more liberty to put things outside the bag, I would attach my sandals, my water shoes, to the outside of the bag. That way, if they're wet, if they're stinky, they're not in my bag with my clothing. And I just use the carabiners to do that. Another thing that was really important to me, if I was probably 20, I may not care so much, but now that I'm in my 40s, a hat to cover my head because my hair's not as thick as it used to be. This is a sun hat. It's a Columbia. It works great. I found it very useful to just pop on, and I put a little, again, a carabiner on the back of it so I can attach it to my belt loop and just walk around with it. If I went into a building, a restaurant, whatever, I could just attach it to me. I didn't leave it then on a table or something as I've had friends do. So this is basically just a sun hat. It's not really good for keeping you warm, but if you're anywhere in the mountains and you're closer to the sun and you're not used to getting exposed, this can keep you from getting your head burned, your ears burned, the top of the ears, top of the nose, that type of stuff. So this was almost an anti-cancer device as far as I was concerned. The last exterior pocket on this particular bag, you can see here there's a teardrop or a water droplet. They intend this pocket for use for a water bladder. I've never used it for that. They've even got a little clip, a little hook here to hook the bladder on. I use this for paper. One of the things that I wanted to do on my trip was have some spiritual content. I wanted some amount of spiritual disciplines. So I actually went to a public library and I took some pictures of some hymns I liked and I printed out a book of the Bible. I chose Romans and I just folded it up, put it in, again, a freezer bag and had it so that I didn't have to worry about damaging a book, or if I wanted to bring a whole book, it's heavy. So this is a really efficient way to bring some amount of paper, and for me it was the spiritual content of my trip, stuffed into here in a pocket that I wasn't going to use for anything else anyways, and I wasn't going to jam other things down there and crunkle the paper up. So just a useful little side pocket there. This is Traveler Rob. See you in the next video.